word should we circle? I agree. Okay, so what parts might help us figure that out? Josh.
Like she has one at her house too.
Okay. Okay. So you can tell that it's in both places. So what might be in both places? I don't know. What else?
I'm saying it's different from the one I have at home.
Okay. So that was another key word. Just like in the other sentence when it said, unlike this and this and this and this. So it's saying, what word did you say again?
Different.
Different. Okay, good. Let's, oh. What else, Justice?
I was gonna say it's here. It's like beachy, full of sun and green.
Okay.
At home, so it could be like a window, like a giant window space.
Ooh, okay. So what made you think window exactly? Because it doesn't say window anywhere.
Because here it's beachy and full of sun and green as can be. So she's probably looking out at the beach, and then at home
Okay.
it overlooks the parking lot and other.
Okay, so you took this word at my apartment, it overlooks something, and because you knew they were opposites, kind of like Mitchell said, oh, here she must also be looking at something different. What else?
It could be kind of like a view, because like when she's like looking, like overlooking, she's seeing like the bricks and stuff, and then maybe when she's overlooking the other one where it's like sunny, beachy, green, like that's her view.
Okay, I like that. So connecting both of those ideas, that's where she's looking at. That's her view. Good job, Anna. What else, Ashley?
As I look out my window,
So that's one of those synonyms that she's doing, the looking out the window, and that is the vista. So who wants to define vista for me? Yeah.
a view.
A view. What are you gonna add, Keely? Okay. Jose, you want anything?
No.
Sorry, I thought I saw your hand like twitch, so you let me know if you ever do want to add anything. Yeah, but say you're satisfied. Okay, perspective, it could be that. What made you think perspective? Okay, good. So once again, you guys were like totally right on money. You did a really, really good job. So even though you didn't know the word at the beginning, the vista word, it does mean it's a view. It's a perspective. It's when you look out, a vista is what you see. Usually they're beautiful, not always though. So now we're gonna do this on your own. So pull out your notebooks while I explain this. By the way, does anybody remember what the VIS word means?
What number are you?
What number am I?
Okay, get your notebooks, fast, fast, fast. Oh my gosh, I didn't know.
I'm gonna go back and watch it all.
It's just like
Oh, I'm just
Okay, I just realized that we never picked a name for that last one because that last one was different. So remember how the first one was synonyms, like cinnamon, but synonyms, but like the words that are the same? These last ones, Anna, how is it different?
Wait, isn't it called an answer?
Oh, where'd you come up with that word? You just do it. Okay, what does that mean? Tell us what it means. Everyone listen to Anna?
It means the opposite. So like synonym means word, but answer means the opposite.
Okay. Okay. So in in those sentences that we just looked like, there were key words like the unlike or different than this. And that should give you a clue in your head. Oh, okay, that word that I don't know, it's the opposite of this. And that's what antonym means. So, everyone say it with me?
Antonym.
What was the other one?
Synonym.
Okay, what was the other one?
Antonym.
Okay, so we're gonna look for these when we read. If you're ever in like that video where you get like most of it, some of it, look in the sentence for synonyms and antonyms. And those can be good clues. So, okay, now that you have your notebooks, I'm gonna put 3 sentences on the board and I underlined the big word that I want you to define. And I brought the official definitions, and I'm not even gonna make it up, I'm gonna read it to you. So, I wanna hear how close you can get to the real definition. So, what are we doing right now? Madison, what are we doing?
We're writing it.
Okay, so writing your own definition. And I might ask you, like, how do you decide that too? So this is the first sentence. Okay, I'll give you 30 more seconds. Definition of vacillates. Okay, we ready? Kiana's gonna start us. Kiana, what was your definition for vacillates? Okay, so some kind of proof. What was it that you wrote in your notebook? Okay. Okay. What did you think, Holly? What did you write in your notebook? Okay, so thinking about it, solving it, what else I do? Okay. Why'd you say that? Okay. What else, Katie? Okay. So he studies. What made you think studies? Okay, so I like how you substituted a new word in there. That's another good idea, that if you don't know one of the words, you could try changing it for one that you do know. Let's go, so Ashton has hand up, and then question, and then Claire.
To give an opinion.
To give an opinion? Okay, what made you think that?
Because he does it in a lot of important politics, so he has like an opinion about lots of stuff.
talking about it and sharing it. What else, Quentin?
It sounds like his mind changes a lot.
Okay, what made you think that?
Like he changes opinion. It seems like his opinion is always changing.
Okay. So maybe this sentence didn't have like a lot of synonym words, but it had like a synonym phrase. So it was describing what he does, and then it described it again in the whole other sentence. And who else did I take after Quentin? Claire.
It seems like we could put here things on a lot of important certifications.
Okay. Okay, you guys had some good ideas. And I like the way you were looking at the sentence and picking up clues. Now I'm gonna read you the official definition. Here it is. So vacillate is to sway to and fro or waver. So it could mean to waver in mind or show indecision. So some of you got like little parts of that maybe. I think Quentin was probably the closest. It basically means that your mind and your opinion is easily swayed. If you go this way, if you go that way. It might mean like he said after you study it, like, oh, I changed my mind again. Oh, I changed my mind again. So that is what vacillate means. Emily, can you repeat that for me? What does vacillate mean? There we go. Okay, let's do just one more. So, last chance. I want you to write your best definition of this sentence. Let's see, Megan, read the sentence for us.
Daytime, when they would easily be noticed, that thieves slipped into the museum at night and stole the ancient mask attributes.
This one's kind of hard to say. Does anyone else want to try? Okay, look. Surreptitiously. Surreptitiously. Not like syrup on pancakes, but it sounds like that.
Is it
Surreptitiously. Surreptitiously. Okay, so you have a minute to write your own definition.
Sure. There's no H in sure, but we still say sure. No. That's what I thought.
You're writing out your definition. Okay, so this time H is gonna start us off. What do you think it means, H? Surreptitiously.
surreptitiously?
I don't know, secretly or something.
Okay, secretly, what made you think that?
Because like syrup is just I don't know, it just sounds secret.
Okay. Whoa, you guys are so excited. I love that. Okay, Josh, and then Mitchell, and then we'll go after that. So Josh and then Mitchell.
Okay, so superstitiously, I kind of thought of it like it kind of sounds like super cautious.
Okay.
Like that.
What made you think that?
Because it's like slip into the museum at night and steal the ancient mask. Like very good.
So just that image from what they were doing, it just fit really well. And then Mitchell.
Like really sneaky, like suspiciously,
Okay, so sneaky, suspicious. Let's go to, remind me what your name is? Cameron.
The word stole, you don't steal something loudly.
That's true. That just doesn't make sense. So, kind of quietly, secretly, what else, Ashton?
Not being quietly and not being caught.
Okay, so not getting caught, something that you can't see. What else? Oh, I didn't get it.
Well, I think with the weeks, it was targeting
Okay. So more quickly, easily, what else? Okay. You're right. If you're gonna steal something, you gotta get in and get out. What else, Isaiah?
It might be that
Okay. So they're doing something that's not approved of. They're stealing, and so it's kind of more secretive. Okay, you ready? So surreptitious means, so this is in adverb form. Surreptitiously would mean to do something in a secret or stealthy way, or to take away secretly. So you guys are all really close on that one. That was really good. Okay, so one more reminder. H. What were those 2 words that we learned today for our clues? Okay, so antonym and synonyms can help us figure out definitions like brilliant geniuses like Bob said. So that's all good.
Okay, we're just going to spend just a few minutes sharing a couple of books.